Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Persia in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around the stylish 3008 SUV in the active specification. So this car's been upgraded to feature 18-inch alloy wheels. You also get the tinted rear windows and black roof. On top of this, there's speed limit recognition, rear parking sensors. Now inside the car, you've got the touchscreen that features DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. Some of the other features include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. Has the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 5,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Persia in Taunton. Thank you.